Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to drive Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 step by step. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel for proper control and visibility. Check pedal positions and set the head restraint. Fasten your seatbelt and ensure tri-zone displays are readable. Familiarize with clutch feel if manual or selector positions for automatic transmissions. Confirm tire pressure and traction settings before you begin your first drive. In this video, I will show how to drive Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 step by step. Start the car and wait for a stable idle before moving. Release parking brake gently while maintaining brake pressure. Select drive or first gear and slowly apply throttle to roll forward. Keep steering light and steady until you gain speed. Monitor gauges and engine tone while warming up, then engage sport or track modes when ready. In this video, I will show how to drive Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 step by step. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It handles dust, tire crumbs, and pet hair with voice control and smart mapping. It's surprisingly satisfying to come back to a tidy garage and gear area. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to drive Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 step by step. Approach corners with controlled speed and plan your line before braking. Transfer weight to the front by firm braking, then ease off as you begin the turn. Maintain a steady throttle through the apex and unwind the wheel while applying power. Practice heel and toe on downshifts to keep revs matched and the chassis balanced through rapid speed changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.